Adding authorized users to your Amex Platinum card is currently free. There are no additional annual fees for AUs. However, the primary cardholder is responsible for all charges made by the AU, including balances, interest, and any applicable fees. AUs get their own physical card and can access perks like the $200 annual airline fee credit, shared $40 digital entertainment credit, $200 Uber credit, and Centurion Priority Pass lounge access. Keep in mind that benefits like the Saks Fifth Avenue and Equinox credits are generally non-transferable and remain with the primary account. The primary cardholder also earns membership rewards points on all AU purchases. Adding an authorized user depends on your needs and financial situation. Pros include sharing valuable perks and earning rewards faster. It's ideal for families who can benefit from shared travel credits or lounge access. However, the primary cardholder assumes all financial liability for the AU's spending. Only add AUs you trust, as their spending habits can directly impact your credit utilization and potential debt. Experts advise caution, especially when considering AUs outside of close family. If you're a high net worth individual, maximizing perks, it can be beneficial, but budget conscious users should weigh the risks carefully. Monitor AU spending closely using the Amex app's tools.